Hey guys, we're live. So this is my first video. So I just want to say that my channel is called Stock Trading Journey. So basically, what I will do, I'm just a very average Joe. Have a 9 to 5 job, and stock investing is my hobby. So for this channel, I would like to start off with $5,000 as a base point. I have a little bit like $6 over, but let's just say it's rounded down to the nearest whole number, so it's 5,000 we start with, and I'll basically just try to grow that account as much as possible. So we'll see if that happens. We will celebrate victories together. We will learn from mistakes, and then just to have fun doing it. So the setup is I use eToro as the trading platform. No particular reason why I chose exactly eToro. I was just introduced to it way back, and then I just got familiar with the setup, how to put trades and also set stop losses, etc. And I think it is a reasonably low fees. So if you have liquid stocks, it's very low spreads, and then can go up to 30 basis points or maybe a little bit higher if you have very volatile markets, or if it is more illiquid stocks. So basically everything except for the initial amount of 5,000, everything is supposed to be for free. So this should basically be a very low threshold, minimum threshold, so everyone can do it basically. So hopefully that makes sense. As for the charts, I will be using TradingView. Oh, sorry. So I'll be using TradingView, and this is the free version. So I have very limited charts. I can only have 30 stocks in the list and 2 indicators. So what I've used here is to use one indicator I've spent on the moving average. So that's exponential moving average. So it's, let me see here. So it's 20, 50, 100, and 200. And then as the second indicator, I've chosen the standard version of the RSI, so the relative strength indicator. This setup is not advanced at all, so my trading strategy would basically be to try to invest in US stocks, preferably NASDAQ 100 and maybe the 100 biggest of the S&P 500. So the universe will be around 200 stocks. I can maybe also trade some maybe European stocks or Asian. We start off with some of the blue chip stocks I have in my list so far. And the trading strategy will basically be that I will try to find some buying indicators when the RSI is low and on an up, what do you call it, like a uptrending scale again, and if it is also consolidating with some kind of significant price level. So for example, one of those moving averages, and maybe I'll try to explore later on with some Fibonacci retracement levels and other trend significant support and resistance levels. So in this case, I'm just focusing now on Tesla. So I will probably put my first trade with Tesla. But just the last resource I use is morningstar.com. So that's the free version. I don't even need to sign in. So I'll just search for Tesla here and just show you what I mean when I try to find stocks. This will probably not be true for all the stocks I'm trading, but in most cases I would like to see some positive cash flow at least, and hopefully some growing trends there. Also the same with net income and the profits. So in this case, this is something that you can all use. So morningstar.com and also the free version of TradingView. Just need to open an account at TradingView. So for example, I'll tell you what I'm looking at here. So I'll just go to the financials. So in this case, this is just Tesla. So it's on the annual frequency. So you can see that on the income statement, you see that they have revenue growth and also net income growth. So that's one positive indicator. They also have, maybe this is not that important, but at least it's good to see that they have growing assets and at least that the debt level is not going out of hand. So they have also a decreasing debt to asset ratio. So that's good, I guess. You can see that the asset is growing, but that is fueled by the cash flows and not by taking on extra debt. And probably the most important maybe for me is the cash flow. I really want to have free cash flow. So you can see that from the operating side, they have increased cash flows. We know that Tesla invests heavily in R&D and also in new factories and etc. So this downhill trend here is not of any significance. This yellow line here, that's the free cash flow. So as you can see here, it's positive. First of all, that's important, and then it's also nice to see it is growing. So by the numbers, you can see it started off with 2.7 billion, and then it increased to 7.55 billion. So that's free cash flow that they generate from the business. So that's something that's good. Also, if you open, let's say, an account at TradingView, you can also see analyst predictions. So I will probably just lean on that. Let me just see if I can find Tesla here. So yeah, so here is the analyst forecast. It's a moderate buy. The price target is 265 based on 13 analysts. So this will probably be my base case for setting the intrinsic value. Obviously, this will not be set in stone. So if I feel it's time to take profit earlier than the price target, then I will probably do that, and I'll just put a trade on Tesla. I have considered maybe not risking more than maximum 1% of the capital on each trade. So if you have 5,000 and then 1%, that means $50. So $50, that's the maximum we can lose. But I start off relatively moderate now, so I like to have trades of around, let's say we have 5,000, and then if I have $50 trades, then I can have 100 positions. Yeah, I think that is good. Maybe mostly I will have 30 stocks, hopefully not more than 20. And then let's say if I have 30 stocks, then I have $5,000. Yeah, so let's just say that you see I have 5,000. I will try to not risk more than 1% on each trade. So that's $50 max cap there. That will not be, doesn't necessarily mean that has to be the position I trade, but that is the maximum loss. So if I say, for example, maximum drawdown of 10% before I hit the stop loss, that means I can have a position of $500. That is probably a little bit too much. So for now, I would say, let's say that I would have maximum 20 positions. So on each position, just assuming equal weight in conviction, $250 on each trade. So if I, let's say, go in 3 batches there, that's roughly 80 per trade. So that is that's the setup for now. So I go in with 80. So the thing is that now I like to DCA, or dollar cost average, a little bit, so I don't do everything on one trade. So for example, now I put in 80 here, and if it falls further down, then I'll add another 80, and then if it falls further, I add the last 80. So that is I have to stay disciplined, and only if something extraordinary happens, then I might add more, but that is at least my constraints for now. So in terms of Tesla here, I'll just go in and do the trade. Let's say trade. Oh, let's do 80. Okay, 80. Let's buy. Okay. Yeah, so we just open a position there now. Let's see if we can find the portfolio. Yeah, so we open up at the 219. So let's see how that goes. So see, the plan was here I added this position here. Let me see, it's 218, 219, around here. And let's say that it drops down. I think maybe the next level should be maybe around here. This can be the next level. Felt like this could be significant next level, maybe, because it was the previous low from October of 196, and you can see it has acted as a support and resistance multiple times in the past. So for example, back in November 22, December 22, yeah, you can see multiple times it has bounced off this level. So I feel like this can be, yeah, a little bit significant level there. Let's try to find out by a Fibonacci tool here. I think it's this way, like this, is it? Wait. I think this is how it's done. Let me know, guys, if this is wrong, but it's from the previous low to the previous high, and then you can see the retracements here. So let me just zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you see we bounced off the 78 or 78.6% Fibonacci. Yeah, so that was a significant level, so I just bought here. If it goes down to, what is this, the number, like 1? Yeah, goes down to the previous low again, then I will add again. And yeah, I'll just take it from there. I haven't really decided on the last purchase. So let's just say we buy here. Okay, so we buy here. I add one position here. Okay, I add 180 more at 211, and then one more at 196. Okay, so these are the 3 levels I'll buy. One there I've already bought. I'll buy another one at 211. Just 211, and then add 196. Okay, great. Let's save this. That's it, guys. So I will post all my trades. Either I record them and then upload them on my YouTube channel, Stock Trading Journey, or I will and I'll also post it on Twitter or X. Okay guys, thank you very much. Just want to share breaking news. We are in the green. We are in profit of a staggering 19 cents. No, I'm just kidding. This is just baby steps. Let's grow together. Let's learn and develop our trading strategies and hopefully cash money together. Please also follow me on stock trading journey. This will be my first video, so please like and subscribe and comment and share, and please help me grow this channel. Okay, catch you on the next one. Bye bye.